These are the tools required for a battery change for your Mares dive computer. So as you can see, our Mares Smart Dive computer, the battery has totally depleted. First, we will need to purchase the Mares spare part, which comes with the battery, the O-ring and some screws. Then you will need a Flathead Screwdriver. First, you need to remove the screw as indicated by this icon over here. One at the top right hand corner and one screw at the bottom left hand corner. But before that, you need to remove the center screw, and that is the one with the strap without the buckle itself. So let's do that. Removing the center screw will allow you to remove the strap. Next, the two screws that you need to remove in order to change the battery is the one at the top right and the bottom left. So the top right screw has been removed. Let's remove the bottom left. After removing the two screws, one at the top right and the one at the bottom left, simply pry open the battery cover. So do take note that you need to change the O-ring that comes with it. You can remove the battery. Okay, this is the old battery. Next, you need to replace it with a new battery. With the new battery, put it back into the watch itself. Make sure that it is put in properly with the positive facing up. After replacing the battery, first put back the rubber O-ring. Make sure that it's seated properly. Note, do not use any lubricant as it will cause the watch to go flooding. Then you put this plastic case over it. Once the rubber O-ring and the plastic gasket has been put in place, you can take the outer cover and put it back. Make sure that it is seated properly. Then press it flat and use the new screws that come in the plastic with your batteries and put it into the top right and then screw it in place. Once it's done, you may replace the strap. Again, you may want to change the old screw with the screw that comes in with the batteries. Okay, let's take it out. This is the new screw. Put it back in, and you can simply screw it back. And so that is how you replace the battery for your Morris Smart Dive computer.